In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a weekly to-do list in Notion. We'll start fresh so you can follow along easily. Open a new page in Notion and switch it to full width. This gives you more room to see your tasks at a glance, which is especially helpful once you add different views. Next, create a database to manage everything in one place. Type the / command and choose either a table or a board. A table is great for structured tracking with columns, while a board gives you a more visual workflow. Either way, this database becomes your central hub for weekly planning. Give it a clear name so it's easy to find later. And remember, the first column is your task title. Now, add a few key properties so your tasks are useful and sortable. Add a date property so you can schedule when each task should happen during the week. Include a select or multi-select property for categories, like personal or work, so you can filter or focus when you need to. Then add a checkbox property to mark tasks as complete. It's simple, satisfying, and perfect for quick progress tracking. If your database already has a status property, you can leave it in place. It's handy for identifying what's to do, in progress, or done. Let's make the database work for you with views. Create a calendar view to see tasks laid out across the week. This makes it easy to balance workload and avoid overcommitting on any single day. Then create a board view grouped by status. Seeing tasks move from to-do to in progress to done gives you a clear snapshot of momentum. You can switch between views anytime depending on whether you want a time-based plan or a workflow-focused view. To keep your weekly list rolling without extra effort, set up recurring tasks. Open the database's templates and create a new template for your standard weekly items. Inside that template, add the tasks you repeat every week. Then, set the repeat interval to every week on your preferred day. Like Monday, Notion will automatically generate your new week's to-do list on schedule, so you are never starting from scratch. You can still adjust dates or details each week, but the structure will be there waiting for you. With your page set to full width, your database configured, views in place, and recurring tasks scheduled, you now have a streamlined weekly to-do system that stays organized and adapts as your plans change. Keep it updated daily. Check things off as you go and enjoy a clear, repeatable routine. Thanks for watching.